Hey guys, welcome to Blinkzdl FX YouTube channel. So today we'll be talking about how to use TradingView. If you are a beginner, this video is for you. And also if you are a pro, this video is also for you. Because in this video, I'll be showing you how to use TradingView from start to finish, how to draw trend lines, how to use tools, how to use indicators, and also how to be able to do analysis inside of TradingView. Let's get right into the video. So the first thing you need to do is to sign up. Now, if you have not yet gotten the app, you can go to Play Store or Apple Store to download TradingView. You can just search for TradingView and you're going to download it into your phone. Now, once you've got the app downloaded on your phone, go over to sign in option, which is what you are seeing over here. You just need to tap into the menu section and sign in to a new account. So once you got that done, it's going to take you back to the watch list area where you're going to see all the charts or all the currency pairs that you'll be needing. But if you were not able to see the particular currency pairs that you want to be trading on, it's very simple. That's why this video is for you. What you just need to do is to click on this plus icon, either this add list or this plus icon. Very simple. So when you click on the plus icon, it takes you to this search bar. Here you search for your currency pair that you want to trade. So for instance, let's say Euro USD, and you click on plus icon. Whichever Euro USD you want to add, just click on the plus icon and add it to your chart. As soon as it's added to your chart, then you can head back to the watch list. So once you're done with adding it to your watch list, then you just tap on it. There's nothing you need to do on this watch list. Just tap on it, on the currency pair. It takes you to another interface. Now this interface needs to load up. If your network is slow, you need to wait for it to load up. If not, it's not going to open. Now once it loads up, it's going to show some few things here. It's going to show your charts, your candle charts, but you're not there yet. You need to tap on this plus icon. So once you you need to tap on this box here that I just showed you here, this box here. So once you tap on the box, then it takes you to the main interface of the TradingView. Now, once you have entered the particular pair you want to trade, it will be exactly like this. You have your trading asset, your time frame, your tools, and your indicator option. Now, first thing first, this is your trading asset. You can switch from one pair to another instead of going to the watch list. Very simple. So the first thing you do is just slide up and down until you get to the particular pair you want to trade. So we're on Euro USD, so you leave it on Euro USD and it's going to be Euro USD. Now you can see I have some tools in my screen already. You can see the tools here in my screen because I added them to favorite. We're going right there. So the next thing we're going to talk about is the time frame. Now the time frame is very simple. It's used to navigate from one time frame to another to do your analysis. So you just need to tap the particular time frame you want to go to. But if you are using the free plan, you cannot go to 1 second, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, or any second time frame. You can only start from the 1 minute down to the 1 month time frame or thereabout. So now let's go to the 10-minute time frame. So it's very simple. Okay, the 10-minute time frame is not able to work for us because we're not using the paid plan. So the most time frames you can use is the 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 5 minutes, and thereabout. So since the 15 minutes is there, you can also do it also like Euro USD, like the asset section. You can slide it instead of tapping. You can slide it. So once you get to the particular time frame you want, then you can leave it, and it's going to go to that time frame. Now let me show you how you can now use your tools to draw and analyze the chart. So you simply tap on this pencil icon here. So once you tap on the pencil icon, you're going to see tools, favorites, trend lines, candles, Fibonacci. These are different sections of the tools that you can explore. Now, this measure tool is used to measure, like you can explore whatsoever thing you want to explore here until you find them useful for yourself. So most things I use is trend line, Gann box, and fib forecasting, measurement, geometry shapes, and annotation. So that's what I use. You can feel free to screenshot and to be able to understand how I use them. Now let me show you how to favorite. Now it's very simple to add to favorite. Now when you want to add to favorite, you simply head over to the particular tool you want to use as a favorite. You tap on it, vertical line, then you see something like this, add to favorite. You're going to tap on this star option right here. That's what it's going to show you. That's how you are going to add it to favorite. So when I tap on add to favorite, you can see it has already been added to favorite. But since I don't use vertical line, I can remove it from my favorites, and that's okay with me. So that's it for using tools. Now let's show you how to draw tools. Let me show you how to be able to draw using these tools. Now once you have added everything to favorite, it's going to be on your screen like so. So let's say you are using the trend line tool. So you just need to, once you tap on it, it's going to highlight a blue dot on the screen. You're going to move it forever from wherever you want it to be. So if it's from this low to this high, then you're going to start from this low. You put it there and tap the screen once, and you drag it to wherever you want it to be. Then you tap it again and it stays there. It's not going to move. And if you want to adjust it, you can simply do that with holding one end of the trend line to be able to adjust it to your preferred position. So that is that for trend line. You can also use the path tool. You can see this zigzag icon here. This zigzag icon here. That's the path tool. Now this path tool is used to do illustrations. So sometimes you might see me in my video where I do illustrations. This is what I used to do my illustrations in the video. You can see once you tap the screen, you can now move. You tap it again, you move. You tap it again, you move. You tap it again, you move. So that's how to use it. So once you double tap, it means you are no longer want to use it again, or you want to stop at that particular place. So you can also delete it by tapping it and you delete it. You select and delete. So same thing with the box. You just move it to wherever you want it to be, and you tap it and draw it out. And once you are okay with it, then you tap it again, then it stays there. You get. So that's how to use your tools. Now let's head over to indicators. I already have some indicators on my chart already. I don't know, TradingView has done an update and I'm unable to see the indicators showing on my screen. Okay, I got that now. So yes, I need to delete these indicators. Alright, so yeah, we have the 50 SMA and the 9 EMA on my screen. So to do that, to be able to use indicators, I want to show you. Let's see how many indicators we can add on the screen. Let's see. Let me delete everything. So on the indicator section, where you're going to go is to these 3 dots here that you can see right here. It's 3 dots. So you tap on the 3 dots and it takes you to this section. You can slide up to see it more. Indicators, you tap on it, and also you search for the particular indicator that you want to use. So let's search for moving average. So let's use this moving average simple. Tap on it, add to chart, add to chart, add to, okay, you see we can add only two indicators on the chart, but mind you, we can also add one. But this type of indicator does not show on the chart, it shows below the chart. So let's search for that. So indicators like RSI, let's see RSI. So relative strength index, search for it and add. Okay, we can add to it to the chart. So I think now we can add more than 2 indicators to the chart. So let's edit our indicators. On this section, you're going to see all the indicators that you added to your chart, and you can edit it by clicking this setting icon or these 3 dots. So let's use this setting icon to do that. So you go to inputs and you set your length. So since I'm using 50 for this one, I'm going to leave it at 50 and set this to SMA, and the color is going to be blue, and I'm going to remove this yellow option here. So I'll just tap on OK, and I have my SMA 50 SMA done. Then I tap on the other one and tap on this setting icon. Then when I tap on the setting icon, then I tap on this input again. I leave this one at 9, just set this one to EMA, and go to the styles and change this color to red. So when I change this to red, I'm going to remove this SMA based. Then I click on OK. You can see that it's already on the chart. So you can also turn it off, which is this eye option here. You can see this eye option that is here. You can simply turn it off and on, maybe if you don't want to see it for some time. Then also you can hide the indicators simply by tapping this place here. Just tap it. See, it's going to hide it. So that is it. Then one more important thing, how to save your charts. Okay, this is how to save your chart. So you're going to click on these 3 dots here. You're going to click on these 3 dots, then you're going to see, once you swipe up more, you're going to see share, and you can now save to save chart image. So as soon as you tap on it, it's going to save it to your, as you can see, it's already saved to my gallery, exactly the way the chart is. And mind you, if you want to save your charts, you need to move the chart to exactly where you want it to show, then it's going to save that particular point. So lastly, before we go, you can also use these options to go to do and undo. So this one is to undo, and this one is to redo. So if you tap on the undo, you can see the redo section is there. So you tap on the redo again, you can see our indicator has been brought back. You get? So I think this is all for TradingView. You don't need to use this explore communities and this many options as much, but you can explore to see everything in it. So the last thing that I will also be showing you is using the settings icon. This settings icon, as you can see, my chart is not white because I was able to change the background, and you can see some other things there. So before we go to the settings, I want to show you some other settings that you can also do on your TradingView, which is session breaks. You see these numbers below the chart. So here is where you tap and hold, tap it and hold it. So it's going to show reset scale, time set, time zones, session breaks, and more settings. So if you tap on this session breaks, it's going to remove the session breaks, which is the intervals between each days. So then let's go to more settings. So when you go to more settings, it's going to be something like this. Then you just have to go back like this, and it goes to the main settings option. Now if you want to change the color of your candlesticks, you can just simply go to, I think it's symbol, yes, you go to symbol and you change this. This 3 blue affects one particular candle, which is, if it's a green candle, it's going to affect every color. So any color you change is going to affect it. So you can do that and explore and see how it works for you. Then you can also change your color of your background by setting the canvas. So you see my own is set to gradient, that's why it's mixed with gray and blue. Then also you can set your grid lines color, your crosshair, watermark, you understand, text, lines, navigation, visible on top, you understand. So all these things you can just go around them to see how they work for you and how it suits your need in the trading space. So I think that will be all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share this video, and don't also forget to subscribe. Please subscribe, and see you in the next one.